Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Claudia here. In today's video I'm going to show you how I take my Instagram pictures. So if you want to know how I do it, just keep on watching. Alright, so I've gone through a few phases. First, it was all selfies. I would take my own pictures, but they were all selfies, which is not very Instagrammy, I would say. But then I decided to change the way that I take pictures, so I started training my mom to take my pictures. And by training, I literally mean training. She wasn't so good at first, but she got better. And what she would do is just like go on like the camera app and just take burst pictures. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but you basically just press the button and you just leave it pressed. And it takes a bunch of pictures, and then you can select the ones that you actually want. So I basically would just stand there and just like keep moving, and she would just take a bunch of pictures, like hundreds of pictures, and then I would pick a few that I like. But then I found this app called Cam, and it's literally a lifesaver. It's so good. I'm gonna show you guys what it is. Alright, so to use the app you're gonna need 2 iPhones. You can't really use it with Android yet, I'm pretty sure. So let's say that this is my iPhone and my mom is using this one. With this phone I'm gonna ask her to take my pictures, and then it's gonna say, hey, can you take my picture? Say yes. And now I would be able to see anything that she's seeing, which is awesome because now I can see how I'm posing, how the pictures are turning out and everything. You can also just grab your phone, and if you want to have enough time to put your phone away, you can just press the timer, and it's gonna give you 5 seconds to put your phone away, and the picture is gonna be taken. And then you can just send it to your other phone, and look at that, now I have it too on this phone. It's seriously so convenient and so easy to use. I seriously recommend this app to anyone that's trying to take like good Instagram pictures. It's a lifesaver. And the app is also free and it doesn't use any of your data, so how amazing is that? Alright, so that's the app that I use. And then there's like the basic things, like I do my makeup a little bit better than usual. I do my hair, I pick a cute outfit, and then I pick a good location, which is what we're about to do now. Let's go do that. Do you see this? It's 34, well, that's what the car says, that it's 34 degrees Celsius. That is crazy. I'm cooking. So right now we're trying to find a location. Well, we're at McDonald's, but after McDonald's we're gonna try to find a location somewhere where there is shade, preferably, because it's freaking hot today. But also like something simple but cute, like either a nice wall or like a nice field or something. It's so freaking warm today. Where's my slushie? Awesome, thank you. You too. Got the slushie. Okay, so now we're gonna try to find a location, something very Instagrammy. You guys know what I'm talking about. You just gotta feel it, you know? So we're just looking for that. I'm not 100% sure what we're looking for yet, but I'll show you as soon as we find it. So we ended up in the middle of basically nowhere, and we're gonna see how this looks. I don't know. Whatever, if we don't like it, we'll just move. But so far, look how beautiful this is. I would love to live here. Like, what? This is so peaceful. This is all corn. It's super little still. It's so cute. Okay, let's go take pictures. My mom is right here. She's the photographer today. Let's do it. Oh my god, you can't even see me. So my mom, she's over there, and I can see what she's seeing in her phone. So I can post and do whatever I have to do, and I can see everything. I love this app so much.
Wake up this morning, make the mistake of turning on the TV. Nothing but bad news.
We got it. Yay!
I make myself a cup of coffee. Wave at the older man, get into something tame on his balcony. Oh, yeah, we both have been stuck in our apartments for 2 months too long. We don't even get along, but the world just fell apart straight out of the blue. So in my mind I whisper ciao and I take myself to Tuscany.
Oh my god, it's warm, so hot. Oh my god, there's a bee that's following me. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, it's gonna sting me. We are so in the middle of nowhere that there's a freaking tractor that's about to pass me. Oh wait, is he scared to pass me? Is it not gonna be able to pass me? Fuck.
No pasa.
Oh my god, oh my god. No, it's because there's someone coming. Oh my god, now I feel so bad that I'm parked here. Ah! Okay, here he comes. Sorry, oh my god, I don't want to look. Why is she mad? She was so mad just because she had to wait a second. Woman, relax. Okay, let's go. Why was she mad? What the heck? Sorry. Oh my god, I had a huge bowl of pasta before we came here. I don't know why I did that to myself, but now I'm so full and like bloated. Ugh. Okay, let's do this. Stuck it in. Close it. Close it. Lower it a little bit. The phone. Lower it. Yeah, that's good.
Tuscany, Italy, riding on a Vespa in a sunflower field.
Oh, there's a car coming. Okay. Okay, cars are gone. Okay, I'll tell you. You tell me. Yes? Don't let me get run over. Now, lower. Get closer so I can see the car.
Go back to my room. I pick up the laptop to join a work.
Okay, different location or outfit. Something's gonna change. Alright, so I just got changed and I feel like this outfit is more for this type of location, like more like relaxed and more chill, you know? Which is the same as relaxed, but still. Anyways, so now I'm trying to recreate this picture right here. So what I do is press the 3 dots like at the top of the picture, then press copy link. Just gonna copy it, do its thing, and then go to AirCam, and automatically it's gonna just show up. And you just press save. Go to your reference pictures, and it's gonna be right there, and you can zoom in on it. That way you have a better look at it, and then you can just click on it again, and then you can see yourself and like what you're doing. So yeah, so we're just gonna go recreate this picture right here or something similar to that, and let's see how it turns out. Yay! So what are we doing? What's happening? You're tired?
No, está bien.
She's just hot. It's
hot.
still like it's 6:30 p.m. and it's still so freaking warm. It says that it's 31 degrees Celsius.
31.
I love this weather. I know I've been complaining a lot, but it's because I'm wearing clothes. Oh my god, why is this beeping? But I love this weather. Okay, so I guess we are gonna look for another location. Okay. Okay, let's go. We found another super cute location. This right here. It's like yellow with blue, so it's a good contrast. So we're gonna try to take some pictures over here as well. Like how cute is this? Ah! It also looks like it's about to rain, so maybe we should hurry. Okay, we're just gonna take a bunch of random pictures and we'll see what comes out of this. knocked it off. This is so awkward.
We'll both be in Tuscany, Italy, riding on a Vespa in a sunflower field. Yeah, warm wind blowing and birds are singing in cypress trees. Tuscany, Italy, eating carbonara and reading Machiavelli while the world ends. That's where I'll be.
Woo! So this wasp has been hanging onto the car for the longest time. I don't know how it's not falling off. Like, what is she doing? Oh my god, literally as I say it. It's been on there for like an hour and now it's coming off. The poor thing. Rest in peace. Alright, so I think we're done! Yay! We took so many pictures, I'm sure I'm gonna have a few that are good. I'm still so in love with this view. Oh my gosh. I could live here, seriously. Okay, we are done! I don't even know if you guys can hear me because of the wind, but I hope you can. Okay, I'm going back inside the car. Alright guys, I just got home, so I'm just gonna end the video right here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!